New Zealand is becoming one of the world's famous destinations for overseas education. It offers quality and affordable options for international students who are seeking to pursue graduation and post-graduation at a cheaper cost. So, in today's video, we're gonna discuss what are the top 5 cheapest universities in New Zealand for international students. Hello guys, this is Aarti and welcome to Aarti Education. If you want to connect me on Instagram, you can connect on Aarti Education 360. Now, without any further delay, let's begin with the top 5 cheap and low tuition fees in New Zealand for international students. So, on number 5 in this list, we have kept University of Otago. So, this is the oldest university and have a wide variety of courses in regards to graduation and post-graduation. This university holds 217th rank in QS World Ranking 2023. If you take a look for the fees for different courses, so in this university, first year tuition fees for MBBS will gonna cost you around 16.8 lakh rupees. MBA will gonna cost you around 31.3 lakh rupees. MS somewhat around 15.3 to 19.2. BE BTech will gonna cost you around 15 lakh for first year. MIM courses would be around 21 lakh. And BSc would be around 12.2 to 15 lakh rupees. Now if we cumulate it and take out the average, so average fees for this university will be around 17 lakh rupees in Indian rupees. Next is number 4 and in this list we have University of Canterbury. So this university offers wide variety of courses in field of medicine, engineering, natural sciences, business administration and humanities. This university also offers a wide variety of scholarship to the international students. According to QS World Ranking 2023, this university holds a ranking of 284. Now let's talk about the fees for this university. So MBA will gonna cost around 26 lakh rupees. Mechanical engineering would be around 20.4 lakh rupees. MS would be around 17.8 lakh to 20.4 lakh rupees. BE BTech will gonna cost you around 14 to 17 lakh rupees. BSc would be around 16 lakh rupees. So on an average, this university will gonna cost you around 15.5 lakh rupees. Next on number 3, we have kept Lincoln University. So Lincoln is an independent public university and have wide variety of courses in graduation and post-graduation at an affordable cost. This university is on rank 368 in QS World Ranking 2023. Let's take a look over the fees. So in this university, first year tuition fees for MBA will gonna cost around 20 to 22 lakh rupees. MS will be around 13 to 15 lakh rupees. MIM would be around 18.5 lakh rupees. BSc 14 to 14.4 lakh rupees. BHM 13.2 lakh rupees. MR 18.5 lakh rupees. So on an average, this university tuition fees for first year would be around 15 lakh rupees. Next, on number 2 in this list, we have Auckland University of Technology. It is the second largest university in New Zealand and have 3 different campuses in different parts of the country. In QS World Ranking 2023, this university holds a rank of 486. Now let's take a look over the fees. So first year fees for this university for MBA would be around 28 lakh rupees. BBA would be around 14.8 lakh rupees. MIM 15 to 23 lakh rupees. BE would be around 15 to 19 lakh rupees. MR would be around 17 lakh rupees. MS would be around 17 to 18.7 lakh rupees. BSc 14 to 15 lakh rupees. Mechanical engineering 18 to 19 lakh rupees. So if we take an average for the first year, tuition fees would be around 14.8 lakh rupees. Next is number 1 university. As per this list, we have kept Victoria University of Wellington. So this university is recognized as one of the renowned universities in New Zealand with the rank of QS World Ranking 2023 is 275. This university is very well known for its graduate comprehensive programs in different fields and of course for its affordable tuition fees. Now let's take a look for its fees. So MBA in this university would be around 21 lakh rupees. MIM cost for first year is 13 to 19 lakh rupees. MS will be around 11 to 26 lakh rupees. BTech will be around 13 to 15 lakh rupees. BSc would be around 13 lakh rupees. Mechanical engineering and MArch would be around 16 to 17 lakh rupees. So on an average for the first year, this university will gonna cost you around 16.6 lakh rupees. So these are some of the recommendations in case if you are looking for budgeted universities in New Zealand. But please be aware that fees may be vary from courses to courses. So whenever you finalize your university and course, do check the university website and then accordingly you decide your university. I hope you have liked this video. In case if you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment down below. Before leaving, do hit the like and subscribe button for this channel, and we will come with another video very soon. Thank you so much for watching.